Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the general management. Now we have to tap on the language at the top, and as you can see here we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So basically find yours and tap on it, and let me pick maybe French. Just tap, and sometimes you will be able to pick the region also, so just tap on it. And your device, after picking new language, will ask you if you want to set it as a default one. So you can of course keep current if you want to, but I highly recommend to simply tap on set as default. And as you can see, right now we've got the whole system displayed in the new language. In order to change the language, if you've got more than one language is added to this list, simply tap on the one, so in my case English, and tap on apply. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. The English will appear at the top of the list. Of course, if you want, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and mark the language you want to remove, and tap on remove. Tap on remove again, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.